Om Shanti, 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 Om. Welcome to Satsang. It can be said that the nature of awareness is empty. What's meant by nature is not a characteristic, but a being or a beingness. What's meant by awareness is that recognition that before I am, awareness is. This is pristine awareness, not the awareness of an object, not even the awareness of a subject. That which is here when everything else is dropped as an object. And it's said to be empty, again, to indicate that you cannot find any characteristic or attribute any characteristic to its nature. You've heard me say before, that which is aware is here, now. This is an attempt to point you toward this recognition. That the nature of awareness is empty. Is before I am. What we experience in the body-mind is this presence or this feeling, I am. This is the very first interpretation that the mind can grasp of the nature of awareness as emptiness. So the inquiry, the sadhana, if you will, is to keep returning. To this I. Through the question, who or what is this I? By doing this repeatedly and resting in this recognition of I am, or I am here, Now, by stopping there, the opportunity is created to fall directly into the heart of being, into this recognition that which is aware is here now. Not as a thought, but as a direct perception. Awareness, awaring, is here. This awaring is recognized in this moment as oneself, as the self, before even I am. In this moment of recognition, one's freedom from the characteristics of body and mind become clear. One loses the fear that this body-mind if it's lost, if it's confused, if it's veiled, if it's depressed, has lost its freedom. In this moment of recognition, all doubt is gone. And pure awareness, or pristine awareness, is realized to be one's nature, the nature of all, as being consciousness and bliss. This is the end of fear and the recognition of freedom. And at the same time, that the nature of awareness is realized to be empty of all characteristics. It's also realized that everything in body, mind, and world is flowering out of this emptiness. So this is not the emptiness of voidness or of separation. This is not the voidness between planets in the solar system. This is a primal emptiness, out of which it can be seen that everything in body, mind, and world is arising spontaneously according to its nature. This is the foundation of the Zen recognition. Form is emptiness, and emptiness is form. This is pointing to this recognition. And in this moment, there is the realization, I am nothing, and I am everything. All of this is the Supreme. And that which is aware is here now, unbound and free, even as these objects, even as these experiences of body and mind and world are rising. So now I am free. One can say, free at play in the fields of the Lord. Unbound from all concepts. You are that. This is your nature. Just rest. Cling to nothing. You are free.